Imagine biting into a world-famous beef burger. The slightly toasted bun gives way to the succulent, perfectly cooked patty. The tangy pickles, the crisp lettuce, the juicy tomatoes, and the sharp cheddar cheese blend seamlessly together, creating an orchestra of flavors in your mouth. The sauce, a secret blend of spices, adds the final touch, making the entire experience nothing short of culinary bliss. This, dear listeners, is the magic of a beef burger, a delight loved and celebrated across the globe. Now let us embark on a tantalizing journey exploring the rich, diverse world of beef burgers. From the sizzling streets of America to the bustling lanes of Japan, each region adds its unique flair, transforming this simple dish into a gastronomic wonder. First on our global tour is the classic American beef burger. It's a testament to the saying, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. A well-seasoned, juicy beef patty sandwiched between two fluffy buns adorned with crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, onions, pickles, and a slice of American cheese. The secret, however, lies in the sauce, a tangy, slightly sweet concoction that ties everything together. The American beef burger is a celebration of balance, where each ingredient shines without overpowering the others. Crossing the Atlantic, we meet the British beef burger. It's a hearty affair featuring a thick, meaty patty often paired with English cheddar and caramelized onions. The Brits love their sauces, and the burger is no exception. A generous slathering of brown sauce or English mustard gives it a distinct, robust flavor. Compared to its American cousin, the British burger is bolder, with richer, more pronounced flavors. Now, let's fly to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Here, the beef burger transforms into the hamburger. It's a fusion of the Western burger and Japanese culinary sensibilities. The patty is a blend of beef and pork, making it softer and juicier. It's typically served on a plate, sans bun, drenched in a rich demi-glace sauce. The hamburger is a testament to Japan's ability to take a foreign dish and make it distinctly their own. Finally, we land in Australia, where the beef burger takes on a unique identity. The Aussie beef burger is a veritable feast, featuring a juicy beef patty, crispy bacon, fried onions, and beetroot slices. And the crowning glory? A perfectly fried egg. The result is a burger that's not just a meal, but an experience. Compared to the others, the Aussie burger is an explosion of flavors and textures, making it a standout. To summarize, the American beef burger is a masterclass in balance, with each ingredient working in harmony. The British beef burger is a hearty, flavorful affair, with a bold sauce adding a unique twist. The Japanese hamburger is a fusion of East and West, offering a softer, juicier patty drenched in a rich sauce. And the Aussie burger is a gastronomic adventure featuring a medley of ingredients that create a symphony of flavors. So there you have it, a quick tour around the world through the lens of a beef burger. Each version is unique, each version is delicious, and each version tells a story about its place of origin. Whether it's the simplicity of the American burger, the bold flavors of the British burger, the fusion of the Japanese hamburger, or the adventurous Aussie burger. One thing is clear, the love for a good beef burger knows no boundaries.